Following the success of Action HVAC-R in protecting air conditioning units from rust, mould and vermin attack, we now offer an in-house coating service. In this instructional video, we're going to show you how we break down units and protect them both internally and externally from rust, vermin attack and mould. This Action Corrosion in-house factory coating service is for 230 Dakin units that have just come from Dakin Factory Direct. The panels of the cabinet are carefully removed. This allows us good access throughout the unit. It allows us to spray the coils, allows us to spray through the fins and right around the fins. Also gives us good access to the PC board, which we coat to protect from vermin attack. The PC boards are coated in situ. They are not tampered with at all from factory. The fan stand is removed to give us good access to the floor of the cabinet. Once the cabinet's removed, the compressor units are rolled into the spray booth for treatment. The units are blown through with high pressure air to remove metal filings from manufacture. To reduce the effects of galvanic corrosion through the touching of dissimilar metals, we apply Action Clear Extreme to the external coil. The remainder of the unit, including the PC board, is treated with Action HVAC-R. Action HVAC-R will insulate the PC board against moisture and vermin. It'll stop corrosion on your fins, coils and cabinetry. It also provides an inert surface on fins where black mould cannot attach to. Once coated, the units are rolled into a heat room for baking. Once out of the bake room, the units are reassembled. A yellow Action HVAC-R treatment sticker is then placed on the front panel of the unit on the external. This has the serial number and the date of treatment. An Action HVAC-R treatment sticker is placed under the lid of the unit. This has the date of treatment. The units are boxed exactly the same way they came out of Dakin factory. Once they are boxed, they are wrapped in an orange Action HVAC-R tape. This means it's really easy for our contractors to identify a treated unit. That concludes our overview of our Action HVAC-R in-house coating service. For more information, go to allthews.actioncorrosion.com.au.